Oh, person below us, right here.
Jump on him. His teammate's on the other hill.
You ready? Let's go.
Footsteps. Where'd he go? Do we shake him? Alright, I'll shake him. Where at? Oh, yeah, there they are. I don't see any more.
I see his other teammate. Oh, he's running.
What? Why are you taking a launch pad? We have a helicopter.
Trying to get over to this guy. He's trying to run from us. I will not allow you to run from us. When we go over the hill, we'll be able to see him inside him.
Wow.
Hold on, better sniping. I got one. With the close-up snipe.
See him. 23 shield, broke shield, white, knock. Ultra Mom is down.
What?
That's his name, Ultra Mom. Shake him.
Is it really?
Yeah, I saw her the kill.
Ultra Mom, behind you. Is it Dad?
Oh.
Knock, nope. Jake Fort.
Quiet.
Package. Ooh, shots to the left. On the hilltop, there's another helicopter. Oh, person below us, right here.
Jump on him. His teammate's on the other hill.
Were they on the other hill? Yep. Oh. Watch out, they're shooting.
And one's down.
Oh, helicopter's in the way. Ooh. Man down. I lost the helicopter down the hill. I'm going to get it. I'll park it better this time, I promise. Or we just get in and fly at them.
I'm trying to blow up their heli.
Ooh, that's kind of smart. Oh, behind us, behind us. They're blowing up ours. My bad.
Watch out, the explosion. Watch out, Anthony. They're gonna make us go boom. They're gonna explode us.
Ooh, that means we're in between people. I don't like that.
That's what nobody ever.
Rocket?
Rocket.
Oh!
Side what? Oh, other side. They're just. Ooh, man down.
Which one of you got that snipe?
Helicopter coming in. .62 broke shield. They're backing off. They put it down. Rocket.
Wow.
Stay alive. They're just spraying the rockets.
Oh, somebody's
Ooh. Launch pad coming in. Launch pad. He's down. Shaking. Oh shit. I mean, oh shit, there's other people here.
Okay, we got him.
Getting the res. Can we get some cover? Ooh,
nope.
here they come.
They're going to attack. I was about to jump on one, but he boxed.
Down the hillside.
Oh, I lasered one.
He's got a minigun. 68. Knock. Knock the minigun. Over here. There's a sniper somewhere. I just heard it.
I'm finishing minigunning.
Shake him if you can.
Oh, here's Brute. Here's Brute. Brute,
This guy's shooting at me. He's running up. Who's in the helicopter? Oh, there's one more down here too.
Knocked him.
Alright, last one.
Last one.
South somewhere. Oh, no,
Actually,
there he
two
is.
there, two there.
Right here. Knocked one. One in that
Oh,
box?
yeah.
Alright, nice. We're coming. I see him. Ooh,
That's
cranking.
Where?
But luckily, I know that luckily I'm the cranker on this team. Luckily, we have a female who likes to crank. It's practically my job to crank.
You gonna drop it?
Don't knock
Still
me
up.
down. On him? Let's go! Let's go!
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.